All right, here's a cool ninja trick to try to avoid people taking your trial offer more than once, and how you can bump them out of that offer. All right, so let's pretend that this is my regular account, which it's not. That's why you don't see any data here. But I'm going to go into this example trial offer, and there's nothing really set up here, but it'll still work for this example. Let's pretend that I wanted to, make sure that somebody does not take this offer more than once. And this is only going to work if they use their same email address. There's a couple of other ways, I guess, to get around that is maybe monitoring if the name is the same or whatever. But sometimes if people are smart enough, they can get around it. But this is the way that you can do it normally if they have the same email address, all right? So you would go into the bottom here where the automation is, and what we're going to do is we're going to set up a automation and a condition. So we're going to leave it with offer is purchased, and then we're going to actually deactivate them right away from the offer. And first, let's put the same offer, right? So they're coming in, they're buying the trial offer, and then they're going to be deactivated from the trial offer. And you might ask, well, that's kind of insane, but there is a condition to this. And that's where this magic happens. And that's where you go down to, where is, right here, has any of these offers, okay? So if they already have the offer, right, what's going to happen is they're going to try to do it again. Then this is going to say, hey, wait a minute, this person already has the offer. Oops, let's put the offer in, the same offer. So it's saying, listen, this person you're trying to buy this offer, but you've already got the offer. So we're going to bump you out of here. Okay. And that's how this magic happens. I would also send them an email that basically says, let's see here, if the offer is purchased, let me just see here, and so if they have a tag, actually what I would do here is, for one more second, here's what we do. If the offer is purchased, add a tag, right? And that tag is going to be, do I have one here? No, so let's just add one here. Let's say completed trial, okay? Add a condition. Oops, create the tag. I should be able to spell. It should say completed trial, and then add that condition, all right? Let's see here. And there's no filter there. So once they buy this, if they don't have the trial already, and everybody's going to get this, right? Everybody's going to get this tag no matter what, all right? So what's going to also happen is if they come in here and they try to buy it again, they're going to be deactivated, and then you want to send them an email. And the only way the system knows which person to send the email to is when the offer is purchased. Then right here, where's the email? Send an email, right? And then this one's going to say, this is like for the person who's trying to do it over again. Oops, whatever. I should be able to spell. Oops, your trial didn't work or something like that. And then go into and tell them, hey, it looks like you tried to do this twice, or it looks like you've already tried this trial. Would you like to go for here are the options you have, whatever, right? So I'm not going to do that, but we need the condition for that. And the only way that this email is sent out is through that tag. Where are you? Has tag. It's off camera. Has any of these tags. And we're going to put that misspelled completed trial, apply. Okay? So there you go. There is some ninja ways of keeping the person out of this sequence or out of this offer if they try to do it again.